Warning, I don't own Spodermen. Plus, this video is just generally fucked up. So do not watch if you are under the age of whatever the fuck. I just don't watch if you're a little kid, okay?
Hello, I'm Spodermen, and I am gonna play with a virtual Rubik's piece of shit. Let's get started, okay, motherfuckers? You need Zen fucking instruction for a block of colorful cum? Nobody, it's a useless pile of dog shit. Holy fucker, gonna end up spinning her dick off. Well, let's give this a try.
2 hours later.
I have been sitting here, spinning the shitty cube testicle for like 837 minutes. That's how many bitches I fuck per minute. This shit is dumb. Moving on.
1 eternity later.
This shit is so fucking dumb. I fucking hate it. Fuck this, fuck this, fuck this. Die. Spoderman does whatever a Spoder can. Can you swing from his dick? Yes, you can. If you're a chick, look out. Here comes Spoderman.